Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality food, or better, from my home to yours. So stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, on the chopping block, we got the best ever Italian beef. And here's that beef right here. These are the seasonings right here. Here's the beef right here. I'm going to be making this Italian beef with a beef knuckle. Alright, I already put the little slits in the meat. And all you're doing is just poking it just like this. Because we got to put us some slices of garlic in these slits. Okay? So that's what we did right there. So I'm going to go ahead and slice up this garlic. And stay tuned in. And I'll be right back with you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. I put all the garlic little slits up in there, and all we did was make them little, make little slices like this, and I put them in these little slivers right here. That's all we did. All right. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take some of this beef broth. You're gonna need some of that. So I'll say roughly about a tablespoon of that. Since I have a teaspoon right here, I'm just go ahead and go with 2 of these. So this is beef based. Okay, I'm sorry, I said broth. Alright guys, you're just gonna rub this on here, on this meat, like this. Alright. We're going to put some of this kosher salt with sea salt on it. Like a tablespoon. Just like that, y'all. We're going to come in with some Italian seasoning. We're going to put a tablespoon of that on it. Just like that. We got some celery salt, teaspoon. Just like that. We got some oregano. We're going to put a tablespoon of that. And I'm telling you, this is better than Chicago. I'm not lying. I have my family from Chicago, so they told me that. So we've been doing this. This took me a long time to master this. And I'm not lying to you guys. So that's garlic. So I put like a teaspoon, or teaspoon with, no, it's a tablespoon with the garlic. We're gonna go with a tablespoon of the onion. Just like that. Black pepper. Teaspoon. Alright, fresh peppers. Go with like a teaspoon of that. Okay? Alright, I got some thyme right here. Some fresh thyme. You can use dry thyme if you want to. I'm just going to put this down here. Because I'm going to take like about 5 cups of water. And I'm going to put it up in here. Okay? That's what you should be looking like. Alright, you can pat on it and all that stuff if you want to. Let it sit out, room temperature. Last but not least, while I did all that, I'm going to put some olive oil on that. So probably like 2 tablespoons of that. I know you see the misto out there, but I'm just go ahead and drizzle some of this on there. And the reason why I didn't put that on there first is because the season won't stick on there like I wanted to, like the beef base. Okay, so it's like 2-3 tablespoons of olive oil. Alright, so let me go ahead and get cups of water. You're going to need about at least 4 cups of water. 4 to 5 cups. So we're going to this 4 cups. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. So to intensify this, I'm just going to chop up 2 stalks of carrot. We're going to pick all these out later. We just want to intensify the au juice. And so for you guys don't know what au juice is, it means cooked in its own juice. Okay, we're just throwing these in here. Then I got some carrots, a few carrots. Just throwing in there, just getting us some flavors. Now last but not least, we got about 3 or 4 bay leaves that we want to throw in there. Okay, these are broken up, so just add you about 3 to 4 of them in there. And also, I know I said not last but not least, I have a bell pepper that I want to throw in there. 1 bell pepper, guys. And you'll see why I'm saying that this is the best. Best. I'm not lying to you guys. If you think I'm lying, make it. And remember, this is a 2-day process. So today we're cooking it on 450 degrees in the oven for 1 hour. 1 hour, guys. But we want it to still be a little rare in the middle, okay? Alright, so I'm gonna pop this in the oven and show you what we'll be doing in a minute. Okay guys, it's been cooking for about an hour and 20 minutes. This is how you want it to be. I'm gonna go ahead and let this cool off for about a good half an hour, and then I'm gonna wrap it up and put it in the fridge, and I'll show you what we'll be doing then. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. It's been over 24 hours since I cooked this beef knuckle for our Italian beef. The best Italian beef. Better than Chicago. Yes sir. I am not lying to you. So anyway, let me get off of that wagon. Here's our beef right here. See how firm it gotten? We want it just like that. What we want to do here, we want to cut it. See, I told you the meat grade run this way. So we want to slice it this way, all right? We don't want to slice it that way. So we're just going to cut this and see what we got. It should be a little pink or whatever in there. Yeah, it looks real good. That's exactly how I want it. So we're going to cut that up. Sorry about the noise. Cut this one up. Now you see that? So you want it about like that. That's why we wait overnight. We want it about like this. Okay, because we're going to cook it in our broth. Okay, let me take this over here. Alright guys, you're going to also need some French rolls right here. This is Toronto French rolls right here. These are what they use in Chicago. These come from Chicago. You know, you can, if you got an Aldi's, they have, that's why I got mine from. See how they puff right back up. They absorb a lot of juice. And I may make some sweet peppers with it. I don't know. You need that, and you definitely need these, the gardenia peppers right here. All right, this is what we're gonna put on top of them. All right, see you guys over there in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm gonna go ahead and try to slice this stuff up. Gotta get the meat thickness and the way I want it on here. See, this thing don't want to fit on there. So I gotta get this thick. Thing. This thing be tripping sometimes. So that's all we're gonna do is set it up like that. We want about that thin, guys. See that? We want about that thin. I'm gonna go ahead and do this because it's going to be loud. Do this off camera, and I'll get back with you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. I'm done cutting up all the meat. This is how it looks when it's all sliced up right here. The rest of the cooking process will be in the y'all juice. Okay? So just want to show you that. I got to clean up all this mess and put this stuff back up in the box. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. I decided to go ahead and make them sweet peppers because I like a combination of hot and sweet. So I'm take you to the skillet in a minute. Okay, that's the skillet right there. Just gonna throw some olive oil in it. Cook it on medium. Not that much. We're just gonna saute them up till they get all the way done. That's all you're doing. Ain't nothing big. Nothing big or major at all. Try to throw a little salt and pepper on them when they get a little bit close to being done. And that's it. It'll be soft. You want them soft, just so you know. That should take probably about 10 minutes. So see you guys in a minute. So I just put like a teaspoon of kosher salt on it and a little black pepper. Not even a quarter black pepper. I'm just sprinkling a little bit on that. If you want to, you can put a little garlic on, a little onion powder on it if you want to. We just sauteing these up. That's all we're doing. Give them a little charred a little bit. But that's it. See how you get that little charred? Let me just check on. And I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. You want your broth to heat up very slow. Alright? You do not want this to cook fast at all. If it cooks fast, you'll mess the stuff up. If it starts bubbling and all that stuff, you mess it up. So don't do that. So what I like to do here is add my peppers into this just to give it some more flavor. And it's going to break down even more. So we just keep them in there till it's almost time to take them out. When they start warming up. Okay? That's all we're doing. When they warm up, get to a certain temperature, then I'll let you guys know what I'm trying to do. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Put the meat in there for about a good 10 minutes. I'm just going to go ahead and fix this up. I got to actually fix a lot for my family members. So you just want to grab you some meat like this, juice and all. Put that in there. So anyway, you just want to pile you a lot of meat on it because people like a lot of meat in my family. I'm gonna throw one of these bell peppers. We call them sweet peppers, but that's what they are. Put one of those on there, and I'm gonna put some of these peppers on it, the gardenia peppers, just like that. So you can pick them off as you want to, and that's it right there. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this, because I'm telling you now, if you make it, you will enjoy it. I promise you that. But this is it. You can get you some juice. Put you some more juice on there, because that's what she gonna want. So or you can serve it up however you want to. You can put some cheese on there. I don't do cheese on mine, but some people do. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up, take this to the table, and see you guys over there in a minute. There it is right there. The best Italian beef, better than Chicago, no doubt about it. So guys, please hit this bell. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also comment. And make sure you please hit that bell so you too can be notified and get some of these delicious meals. Okay? Tell all your friends and family to tune in to VELDOGG's Kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make a restaurant quality foods or better. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG's Kitchen in a minute.